Azra here and welcome to my channel. This cookies is so delicious and the recipe is super simple. You'll need only few ingredients to make these cookies. Without wasting further time, so let's get started. For the recipe, all you need is wheat flour half cup, oats half cup, sugar 1/4 cup, milk 1/4 cup, ghee 2 spoon, salt 1/4 spoon, baking powder 1/4 spoon, baking soda 1/4 spoon, 4 to 5 pieces of cardamom, rolling pin, 1 glass or any glass for cutting purpose, pressure cooker, grind sugar and cardamom finely. As I want oats to be coarse, so I am adding it at last and it turns out something like this. Before starting, you need to preheat the pressure cooker. Place the salt in the pressure cooker. Do not throw the salt. You can reuse it. Spread the salt evenly in the bottom of the pressure cooker since it will insulate the cooker. Instead of salt, you can even use sand. Make sure you remove the gasket and wet whistle from the pressure cooker as you don't want it to explode. Close the lid. Preheat the empty pressure cooker for about 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Now moving towards the main recipe, sift wheat flour in a bowl. You can even use all-purpose flour. Add ground ingredients. You can either use gram flour instead of oats. If you aren't adding any of these, you will need 1 cup of wheat flour. Mix it with the help of spatula. Add salt, baking powder, baking soda and again mix it. Now add ghee or butter. Mix it. Start kneading. It should look like breadcrumb texture. Add milk and start kneading until it forms a dough. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. It should be a bit sticky. Apply a bit of oil and gently rub in your palm so that it won't stick. Take a small portion of dough, roll it into a small ball and press it giving a shape. And with the help of fork, I am making designs. Make whatever shape as you like. Feel free to create your own design. Repeat the process. Here I am using steel plate and sifted some flour so that it won't stick. Now I am using rolling pin to roll the dough. Sprinkle some flour so that it won't stick. Start rolling. Doesn't need to be circle. Make sure you don't make too thin. With the help of wine glass or cookie cutter or just anything available in your kitchen, start cutting the dough. Again, use the same dough and repeat the process. After 10 to 15 minutes, your pressure cooker is ready. Set a stand or wire rack in the bottom to hold the plate. Repeat the step. Close the lid and heat for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. After 15 to 20 minutes, it looks like this. Let this cook for a few minutes. You can see the result. You should try it. It's tasty and you don't need to buy cookies from outside.
Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Hope you all enjoy the video and do try this. Do not forget to like, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. If you have any suggestion, feel free to comment. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.